morning. We're here at the back enjoying the sun. There's my kale, my San Francisco. I'm not a gardener, but I try to plant just on the planter. There's my cilantro, they're getting matured, and my basil. We need to make some spaghetti, mister. And my eggplant, look. Tomato, namulaklak na. Itong isa, hindi pa.
Morning everyone, how's it going? Hope you guys are having a good day or evening wherever you're at. What's for breakfast?
Huh? You're hungry, right?
No, good morning. How about pancakes?
It's a lot of work.
Is that? Well, I can help.
I don't think we have flour.
Oh,
We ran out.
zero? Oh, well. Then,
Oh, how about oatmeal pancake?
okay.
Yeah, with banana.
You can make powdered oatmeal or what?
Yeah, you just like.
Oh. Okay.
You wanna help me?
I guess so.
Okay, I can do that. I guess we're gonna prepare pancake. Oatmeal with banana. I still wanna sit here though. Enjoy it.
Then,
I think this is the perfect weather for fishing.
yeah.
I think it's gonna rain.
Gonna rain again today? Oh, that's supposed to be nice this week.
Hi guys, if you didn't watch our fishing video yet, check it out. There's gonna be more fishing videos. I'm gonna spend a lot of time fishing this summer.
You think you're gonna try to catch that big one again, huh?
Yeah, I still didn't catch that one. Still out there swimming. Maybe even bigger now.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go. Make pancake.
Alrighty
So
then.
later, guys. Still in the dishwasher. Yeah. So here's my oatmeal. I'm just using my smoothie maker. You don't have to really grind it powdery. Just pulse it a couple times. Okay, that should be good. And this is our 2 bananas, mash it, and mix 2 eggs. And a splash or a teaspoon of vanilla. And how can you try the microwave, please? We need 2 tablespoons of butter, melted butter. And in goes our oatmeal. And a pinch of salt, maybe a 1/4 teaspoon. And we need baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon. Since I'm only using one cup. 1/2 teaspoon should. And mix them together. can just use with your fork, or you can use this one. Just use with my fork. And our melted butter. And if you want a little thinner consistency, you can add a tablespoon of milk. This one should be okay, but I want a little thinner. I will add a tablespoon of almond milk. Just a tiny liquid. Just to thin it out a little bit. Looks like he's anxiously waiting. Hey, you look hungry.
I'm just watching how it's gonna there.
Preheated. Brush a little bit of butter as per request. Glenn wants me to use G instead. G. This is a non-stick pan, so we really don't need a lot of oil.
Yeah, clarified butter is what clarified butter. You gotta if you're cooking at hotter, you can cook at a higher temperature than regular butter because the fat's already removed. So this is kind of good for if you're cooking or sauteing things. You want butter flavor and you don't want it to burn. So clarified butter.
This one is not like a regular pancake that you can see bubbles on top, and then that's when you start flipping it over. This one you can't really see much the bubble, but you can tell on the edges, so you just have to watch it. And it should take around like 3 minutes on the first side. Okay, there's a few bubbles. And then on the side, you can tell we're gonna have a peak. This should be ready. Okay, you're ready for the flip? Think I can do it, hon? Watch. I think I need another spatula. Oh! See? Need a little help from my friend. Look at the color, guys. And this like maybe couple minutes. You can smell. This is done. Fluffy pancake. Okay, the next batch. I'll make 2 smaller ones. Not the perfect round. I'm trying to fit 2 pancakes in this. see there are bubbles now forming, but unlike the regular pancakes that you can really see the bubbles, it should be ready to flip. Yeah, I did it. I did it too. The other one. These are huge pancake. This is done. Okay guys, let us eat our oatmeal banana pancake. A little bit of maple syrup, and we'll see how this tastes. This should taste good because I use regular butter and I use ghee for cooking. See the texture?
Strawberry field.
It should be fresh strawberry. We don't have.
Yeah.
Let me know how much maple syrup.
Just a little bit because the banana should be sweeter. Right?
Okay.
Should be good.
It's okay because we're running low.
Flip this one so I can.
You're gonna eat all of that?
I don't know. You gave me two. Let me see. Sample. There you go. Get your oatmeal and banana all in one.
Your egg.
Like gluten free now, right?
Oh, this is really perfect.
Like gluten free, right?
Yeah. Really
Oh,
perfect.
pretty good one.
You get your oatmeal, which is your fiber, and you got your egg, your protein in there already, and you get your banana, your potassium. Whoa! This is the healthiest breakfast.
Yeah. I guess if you avoid the jelly and the thing would be.
No, maple syrup is syrup
maple
is
would go, yeah.
you because you put jelly in yours. There's a lot of sugar.
I like strawberries. What can I do?
Okay, guys, that's it for today. Hope you like our vlog. And don't forget to subscribe and leave a comments if you may.
Hit the bell button.
And yeah,
Ring the bell.
ring the bell so you'll know what we're doing next. And don't forget to watch our fishing escapades. Enjoy the summer. Have a great day, guys. Just keep eating our breakfast.
Yeah.
Bye.
See you in the next vlog.
Thanks for watching.